One of the things that is exciting about Connecticut is the history manufacturing. You mentioned it. But we're also moving to this advanced manufacturing.
That's right.
3D printing is advanced manufacturing. And also other company like, OK Industries, like, Jason was on the podcast not long ago. They do really, it's more traditional manufacturing. But the things they do, the precision, that's, you ask about something that will never be 3D printing, what they do, for their medical customer will never be 3D printed.
Right, the big stamping that OK Industries does for their medical
or like
devices.
their precision machining, some of the part they do, like the level, the size, the small size of those parts with the level of details is amazing.
Yep.
So there's a lot of history of manufacturing, and over the years, especially the last, I think, 30 years, Connecticut got really big into advanced manufacturing.
That's right.
Which is also why for us 3D printing is kind of a nice fit. And it's also because you can find the right talent. I know that this all discussion about talent, and we want more talent.
Sure, which we're going to talk about right next. So good transition.
But for us, though we're manufacturing, we have mainly engineers.
Right.
It's a really high-tech, highly specified, type of environment we manufacture for and manufacture in.
Yep.
So I think Connecticut has also given us the talent that we needed to grow, the pool of talent, without paying a premium like New York and Boston.